What's up, guys? Crypto Future here. So today I'm going to be talking about an ICO that I stumbled upon a couple days ago, and I just wanted to share some information with you all about this particular ICO. And I'm also going to be continuing the series that I started yesterday, where I will be talking about ICOs that I stumbled upon. But the ICO that I want to talk about with you right now is called Cajutel. And essentially what Cajutel is all about is they are raising money in their ICO to go into Africa and create infrastructure to build a faster and cheaper internet service and a telecommunication service as well. And why this is so interesting is a lot of people are speculating that the African economy is about to boom. And with that, there's a lot of opportunity for investors to pick it as a target to invest in and make a lot of money, because if it really does boom and you get into a company like Cajutel that is building what can be the go-to internet service, then you can make a ton of money being able to own shares of that. Now, if you do invest in this ICO, you are essentially owning a share of the entire company. It's like owning a stock in the stock market. You get a company that will eventually, if it is profitable, pay you dividends. And like I said, if this does boom and the African economy booms, then this infrastructure and having a really fast and cheap internet service provider there will also continue to grow in value, and your investment will then likely. Now, as you can see, they're in the current first phase of their crowd sale. So there's going to be 5 phases, but you will have some more time to get into this investment if you will be interested in doing so. But once again, they are trying to build the most cost-effective broadband access network for the Guinea-Bissau. I don't know if I pronunciated that, guys, but I tried my best. But they're going to go there and try and provide state-of-the-art communications for customers and really grow and create a big boost to the education and economic sectors in all of Africa. So with that, the infrastructure is also going to be solar powered, and I'm going to show you exactly right now what it's going to look like. So this is what they're going to be building. It's solar powered, and with that, it's going to be, hold on one sec, 55 times higher in terms of speed per dollar. So 55 times more effective and efficient than what they already have there now. So way cheaper and way speedier as well. So that is definitely something to keep on your mind with Cajutel, is that they provide something that is much better than anything else in the African economy right now. Moving down, this is from 2011, a picture of an area that they want to really help develop and create infrastructure in. This is from 2017. So as you can see, places are thriving in these areas. And with that, I'm going to go on to my next point, which is a TED Talk that Charles Robertson gave. And he is a really famous economist, someone who's really refutable in terms of the economist world. And he is saying and predicting that there is going to be a boom in Africa. So essentially the past decade has seen a very slow and steady economic growth across the continent of Africa. And with that, this is where Charles Robertson comes out with his bold thesis, where he's saying it's about to boom. And he goes on to a few indicators for this reasoning, from the rising education levels as well as the expanded global investments, not just from China, but all over the world, that are going to really help grow the African economy. And with that, Cajutel is trying to also become one of the first and primary investors into the African economy. And if it really does boom, there's a lot of potential for those shares of Cajutel to really inflate and rise in price. So let's continue on with the website here. So you go down, you can see the key dates. So crowd sale is going to end on September 18th. So you do have more time, like I said before, to purchase your Cajutel and get into this before it's too late. But the ecosystem is going to begin being developed in October. So then infrastructure will be created, and people who are in Africa will soon after be able to then use the Cajutel internet and telecommunication service and have a much larger opportunity to get cheaper and faster services through Cajutel. The team is Andres Think and David Vine. Now, the first thing I want to point out with this team is that they have a lot of experience in Africa. They have decades of living there experience and a lot of experience in the telecommunication world in Africa. So they have the tools and resources and the connections to really thrive and make this project work. And that is something that scared me at first with this project, but knowing that they have those connections with the team. but this is Andres Fink's LinkedIn page. He's a telecommunications SS7 specialist and software developer at Think Telecom Services. So he has a ton of telecommunication experience as well as developer and software experience, which all bodes well for the Cajutel ICO. Now they also have a few more people on the team, some project managers in Anita and Sachin. But that's just one thing to keep in mind and something that I thought was really exciting. But the latest from Cajutel is that they are also being covered all over the internet. All over Steemit, they have articles on Reddit, Quora, Bitscan, BitcoinTalk.org, Medium. So essentially all of the cryptocurrency websites where you can find information, there is a lot of coverage on Cajutel. And with that, you can maybe see and sense that there will be a larger demand for the coins. And with that limited supply of them, you can really expect that the price might even grow from what it's offered in the ICO. But that's about all I have for Cajutel. I just stumbled on it a few days ago, and after seeing this TED Talk and listening to it, I thought it was something that was interesting, and I wanted to share it with you guys because the African economy might just be ready to boom. And this is one of the ICOs that I saw that was targeting this opportunity. And I wanted to share that with you. But like always, that's about all I have today. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can post those in the comments below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I really do enjoy talking to you guys about cryptocurrency related insights, as well as just particular ICOs and cryptocurrencies in general. But like always, it's been a pleasure to talk to you guys today, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. But thanks a lot. Bye-bye, guys.